Running the processes of my company costs me a lot of effort and sacrifice. I will have a new computer that will help me with the planning of purchases. I have a lot of information about top products of my company. Come out of very good quality. I don't know how to knowledge about the quality of the products of the competition. The purchases that I make for my company are made by phone and local suppliers. The cities I know how many suppliers where I can buy products for my company. I'll have a couple of here with a supplier to build a long-term business relationship for my company. I don't have much money. I have a lot of work to do, strictly long-term relationship with my providers. I do the marketing research to the business and move forward with my company. And it's going to organize a meeting with clients to the business and increase the profits of my company.